Hello everyone, welcome to ashatech.com. We are doing programming in Matlab. Now, we are still looking at constructing polynomials in Matlab, and later on, we integrate them. So let us first check whether our symbolic variables are still available. Now, we have answer, we have f, we have p, x, z, d, f1. If you are not familiar with that I'm doing, it means earlier on I had been proceeding with the symbolic variables, and so if we want to create new ones, let's clear and we just say syms. We say we need to create a polynomial in x, in t, maybe in y, and that's all. So we proceed. Let us create a polynomial which is f. So we are going to create a polynomial of degree 3, and that means we have to bring 4 coefficients. So we are going to use function poly2sym. Then we create a square bracket and we give it how many coefficients. If it is degree 3, then we are going to give it 4 coefficients. So 6, maybe we say 7, then we say maybe 2. Then we finish, and maybe we can say we want our polynomial to be in t. Okay, let us say x. We want it in x. Okay, so what happens is that our polynomial is 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. We want to integrate, so what we do, we create a function z, which is the integral of f. So what happens, we say integral using function int, we say f with respect to x, and we can say enter, and that is the integral. So to see it in a human readable form, we can say pretty of z. So that means we have x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 7x squared out of 2 plus 2x. Now I want to find the integral of this function with limits. So we will say z is equal to integral of f, then from maybe 2 to 8, for example, just. So the function z is now equivalent to one value. It returns one value, which is 5310, depending on the limits. So now we want to look at how we can create a polynomial with exponentials. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to maintain this this function f. I'll say f now. Okay, let me call it a function. Any other function may be v, which is a function of x. So it is going to be v, which is equal to, we want to substitute, using the substitute function, we want to substitute in f. Okay, f is a function of x. Then we substitute wherever there is x, we substitute it with the t times exponential of t. So let's complete this and we see the function that is going to come. Okay, we enter. So let's say pretty of v. See, it is t squared exponential 2t times 6 plus t cubed exponential 3t times 4 plus 7t exponential t plus 2. So that is, we have substituted in f, we have substituted in f x equal to t exponential of t. So what if now we want to integrate this function, which is v? So we say integrate v from maybe 0 to 2. Okay, what happens is that with this, what usually happens is it integrates, it looks at the integral of v. After integrating it, it substitutes now the value of 0 and t. Maybe let me say VPA of answer. We see what happens. So if we use the variable parameter arithmetic, it's called the variable parameter arithmetic, gives us the function, gives us the answer of this particular expression. So what if now I want to say, I want to produce this answer to 3 or to 4 decimal places. So I will say round of answer to 4 decimal places. So my answer is 3220.2983, and that is it. Thank you so much. We have looked at how we can create a polynomial in any degree, again, which is a revision of the earlier video I made. 2, we have seen how we can integrate that polynomial, and 2, that is symbolic integration, then also numerical integration. Then finally, we have seen how you can substitute the other symbolic variable that you earlier used in the polynomial with another expression or another variable that you want. I thank you.